The African American prostate cancer disparity is a silent scourge assailing the Black community, impacting Black men from all walks of life: lawyers, deacons, musicians, professors, truckers, and vocalists. Prostate cancer impacts too many African American families and communities. With support from the My Advanced Sciences Forward for Health Equity Grant, Emmanuel Health Education is pleased to present the Norfolk premiere of the Telly Award-winning docudrama The Black Walnut, produced in part with the support of the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. The special presentation of The Black Walnut will be on September 26, 2021 at 4 p.m. at the Naro Expanded Cinema, 1507 Colley Avenue, Norfolk, Virginia, 23517. Come see how 6 men from different backgrounds navigating the same illness are recruited as soldiers in a war against this disarming health disparity. Admission is free. Even if you are fully vaccinated against COVID, we ask that you still wear a mask. And the first 50 men over the age of 40 get a voucher for a free PSA test. This presentation of The Black Walnut will be followed by a special virtual panel discussion hosted by Norfolk State University on September 28th from 6:30 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. Stay tuned for more information. To register for this very special Norfolk premiere of The Black Walnut, search at eventbrite.com. For more information, visit terrorvisioninc.com or call 757-839-7963.